Let me try to do my best here to try to hit on some of the highlights of the show today. We talked about, in the world of progress, we talked about interoperability coming a long way. We talked about the use of portals and the access to information. We talked about research coming a long way in the genome program and how things are progressing there. Some of the specific things we talked about were the Joint Legacy program, the viewer, is making great strides between VA and DoD and how you interoperate together and move information around. The certified health IT, the fact that there's a certification process in place is going to be very important. I resonated with the precision medicine idea and the use of APIs to allow this interchange of data. And then we talked a little bit about business cases for healthcare and the importance of big data, and we talked about Project Echo in there and the difference it's making. On some of the lessons learned, we talked about knowing the business plan, design thinking, thinking of outcomes, and think about the result you're trying to achieve, not let's figure out an IT system, let's figure out a result, and then how the IT can support that result. Challenges, the ones I resonated to was listen. If you really want to get it right, let's find out what it is that we really need to have in place here. The need for team culture, standards are important, and the one that really jumped out at me is staying humble. That came up a number of times, and I think that's a very important concept that, hey, I might be a clinician or I might be a doctor here, but I need to understand what these folks want. I'm not, know-all and be-all for what we're going to do here. Interoperability, collaboration came out as two important issues. As we look to the future, I heard patient real-time access being a big item. Personalized healthcare came out, that in the future individuals are going to have much more control over their own healthcare information and what they're doing to take care of themselves. I also heard and resonated with the predictive analytics that the tools are going to be there to predict things before they happen, especially as we have new smart devices and wearable devices. And in the end, it's all about saving lives. It's all about improving life expectancy.